Right, little video regarding sculpting in with a 3-axis CNC machine. This is my 3-axis. Made it in December. No plans, did it myself. Anyway, I use Fusion for my designs, and obviously, as you can see, I'm slicing my sections and then gluing them together, and then I'll do a pass with I think it's the scallop mode on Fusion. If you look at the arrangement, though Fusion has a arrangement feature which is generally quite good, for some reason I actually had to piece these pieces together myself because it stated that it wouldn't be able to all fit on my stock. As you can see, it has. When I go to slicing my finished item, what I do is I do a pass, say with a ball nose or a V-bit, about a 1/2 mil in depth. Generally you won't notice it, but what that just means is when it comes to starting to 3D sculpt, so I could 3D sculpt this in one piece. I've got the height, but I'll actually do this in 2 pieces just because I have some quite acute angles coming in here. Anyway, going back to my little lines, it's just so I know that when I glue this up, I know exactly where these pieces are going, and so when I throw the finished model, which has been cut in half, and then redo all the mapping, it knows where it is, and I know I'll get no balls up. So anyway, that's that section. Sorry, 2 minutes long, but I'll do another video showing where I am afterwards.